Right, the first thing that I want you guys to do is circle the VIPs like we did way back in Module 1. What are the numbers and key ideas that we need in doing this? And then raise your hand and tell me what you circled or underlined. Olivia. Okay, that's good. Anything else? Paige.
Well, I circled,
And I'm gonna just one thing. I'm gonna also make a note. It's perimeter of 28 units. What else?
I circled one vertex is the point -2, -3, and I
Okay.
also circled area is 40 square units.
Anything else? There's one more key piece of information that we will need at the very end. Jacob.
I circled vestibule.
Okay, yeah, that's good. One more thing. Skylar.
Origin is in the
Yes. Origin is, I'm going to underline it, is in the interior of the rectangle. Okay. Ready? Same strategy as we did with last night's homework. If the perimeter is 28, that means all four sides are 28. Therefore, what are two sides? One vertical and one horizontal is going to be a total length of what? Nick, I haven't heard from you. Let me hear you. All right, ready? Four sides, 28 units. Therefore, it's not a square. All I'm asking you is if one horizontal, if all four sides are 28, then what are one vertical and one horizontal? Two sides. 14. Write it down. Write it down here. Okay? Now here, this is now new. You ready? Let me start you with this. Area of a rectangle is what times what? That you do need to know. Dave? Area in general of a rectangle is what times what?
length times height.
Length times width. Okay, ready? Our area is 48. Give me two possibilities that are two numbers and when multiplied together make 48. And I'll tell you that one side can't be 1 in this case. I'm going to give you that hint. Okay, let's do, and I want you to write it off to the side. 6 and 8, if multiplied together, make 48. Do you agree? All right, let's keep going. What else? There's more than 6 and 8. What else can it be? Go ahead, Nick. Say it again. 2 and 24. What else? This is kind of like when we were doing factors.
12 and 12.
Or 4 and 12. I'm going to list the smaller number first. What else? There's one in between if that helps you.
Which one is between?
There's one in between 2 and 24 and 4 and 12. Kind of got to know your multiplication facts. 3 and 3 times what makes 48? Sujata. 3 and 16. Okay. What did we say that the two sides have to add up to? The two sides have to add up to what? Chelsea. So look at your numbers. What two numbers add up to 14? Patrick, circle it. We now know that the sides of our shape have to be 6, 8, 6, and 8. Okay. Let's plot the only point that they give you. Everybody plot -2, -3. And I'm going to call somebody up to come and put it up here. Santino, you guys have had wrestling meets every day this week?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Friday, but we've been having a lot.
So it's like I'm saying, you guys you run out of ties.
Yeah.
You don't have that many ties as a sixth grader. All right, so what was it? I lost it. What was it?
It was
Help us out.
-2 and -3.
-2, -3.
Right here.
Yep. Okay, that's the vertex that they give you. So now you got to kind of think. 6 and 8, but here's the critical piece. The origin has to be inside the rectangle. Can we put the rectangle here? Where do we have to put it? I have to build up or down? Up. There are two possibilities though. I could make my vertical a length of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What would this side have to be? How many? What is my length? Joe. This one's already my 6. This has to be what? No, bud. Right now we're on page 8. If you're working ahead, that's okay. I mean, I understand. But go back and tell me what you did. Page 8. If you did, it was a mistake. Let me go to Jacob. Has to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I now have what I need to complete my rectangle. If you go and do it this way, your missing vertices, here's your actual one set of your answers, is -2, 3. Then you've got 6, 3. And -3. If you go that way. Yeah, Joe. Okay. If you do it the other way, you could make this 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is here. It's going to get a little busy here. That would be 8. And then you can go 6 across here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if you go that way, it would also be right if you said -2, 5, 4, 5, and 4, -3. And I'll check my key and make sure I have it. That's my page 8, right? -2, 5, 4, -3, 4, 5. That's one set. Or -2, 3, yup. 6, -3. Yes? 6, -3, and 6, 3. Okay? Actually, I have it wrong on the key here. How many are like completely lost? It's one of those things where you just kind of got to get into your groups and get down and dirty with the numbers and try to work it out. All right? And unfortunately, we only have time to do maybe one more together because we're running out of time. So I'd like everybody to try exercise number 10 on page 9 and show it to me when you're done. I want to see it. I don't want you to just check the key. In fact, I'm going to pull the key. All right?